What's up, fam? Today we're going to be going over how to do a chest press. Alright, time to go over the chest press. While performing this exercise, the lower back should have a slight arch in it with the core engaged while the shoulder blades are pinched together. The elbows should be tucked in at 45 degrees to protect the shoulders as well as help engage the chest. Okay, and here's a series of things that you definitely shouldn't do. And moving the feet may have to be the worst. It disengages the core, and it's honestly a good way for a weight to fall on you. So don't do this. Alright, fam, and that's how we do a chest press. Until next time.